I am one of the senior ESL specialists here. I teach English as a second language to our international students who come into the university who don't have quite enough academic English to go into our regular courses. I try to bring in a lot of creativity to my classes, bring English to life. Level 1 is a lot of fun because I can bring in everyday items. I do some field trips with them. Last year we did a field trip to the Chippewa Nature Center. Before we went on the trip, we made maple syrup cookies, and we took the cookies on the field trip with us, and they were able to connect the field trip to what we did in the vocabulary that we did in class. So I'm currently teaching a graduate course in the English language program, and the project that we're doing has a real audience. We've been recently thinking about offering online courses, and so their project was to do a literature review and a persuasive essay based on their research to present to the director of our program. So that gives them a real project, a real audience. And so that's one of the ways that I use creative thinking in my classes. Definitely seeing our students graduate from the university is the most rewarding, because they may come in speaking almost no English at all, and then we watch them walk across that stage